오늘 쏴볼 총은 여기 들고 온 시그고요. 저번에 보여드렸죠? 단창 3개. 이거 150발을 가져왔습니다. 가격이 18.99 cents라고 되어 있는데 블랙 프라이데이 할인 받아서 한 박스당 10불에 샀고요. 거의 50% 할인이죠. 이걸 쏴볼 겁니다. 이거는 이제 21발짜리 탄창인데 이게 이제 스피드 로더라고 해가지고 탄을 정전하기 쉽게 만들어준 도구입니다. 만약 이게 없으면 정전을 이렇게 하는데 가능은 해요. 근데 이제 뭐랄까 노력이 더 많이 들어가죠. 자, 그래서 21발 장전을 하고 써보도록 하겠습니다. 오늘의 첫 탄창.
Because I'm off Monday and Tuesday when I finally landed at the weekly rate on Tuesday. I was supposed to land there Monday. Look, my move was perfect.
몇 개까지 했죠?
Except
여기 5개니까
I failed to land.
5, 4, 20, 21발이겠죠? 자, 오늘의 쏠총 업그레이드가 된 시그 P320 탄창 넣고 이게 탄창 릴리즈 버튼입니다. 그냥 누르면 나오고. 자, 장전을 해가지고
This dude, he's a Trump. He's in his early 70s. I don't give a fuck if anybody's a Trump.
What's his reason?
One reason.
What's that?
It didn't matter if I brought up. It didn't matter if I brought up chips at. It didn't matter. Economic recovery. It didn't matter if I brought up. He just tried to show me. These trans women competing with.
Of all the issues, that one's pretty low on the list. I know why a lot of people.
He is absolutely sure that Trump won.
But that's the one thing.
That's all he's got.
No, man, you can't help this guy. You won't. It's like a cat trying to understand.
And everything I brought up bad about Trump.
Yeah.
We can talk.
Yeah, you people don't want to hear it, dude. Yeah. Most people's minds are already made up, right?
그러면 20발, 21발 다 쏜 거죠.
Yeah, you can.
그리고 저번에 보여드렸다시피 21발이 다 쏘고 나면 21발 다 쏘고 나면 이렇게 슬라이드가 뒤로 락됩니다. 이 상태에서 만약에 제가 다른 탄창이 장전이 돼 있었다 그러면 넣고 슬라이드를 릴리즈하면 바로 장전이 되는 거죠. 지금 장전이 되진 않았지만 노리스가 뒤로 간 상태이기 때문에 제가 방아쇠를 당겨서 릴리즈 해줬고요. 사격이 끝나고 나면 모든 사람들이 사격을 멈추고 이렇게 자기 관역을 확인하러 갑니다. 제가 쏜 21발 확인을 하면 하나 둘셋 넷 다섯 여섯 일곱 둘 셋 열넷 열다섯 열여섯 열일곱 21발을 쐈는데 17발 몇 개는 위로 튀었나 보네요. 저희가 반동을 못 잡아서.
The Griffin Armament 30 SDK. It's a 30 cal silencer, but I've got it here on this 10.5-inch gun, so it can have less gas back pressure, so it's less gas to the face for the shooter. We've got a Arisaka. I think this is the 18650 light. We got the HoloSun LS321 laser aiming module with the HoloSun tape switch. We got the Aimpoint T2 micro red dot sight. Put the caps back on it. Done zeroing. And this is all sitting on a, this upper here is the LMT MRP 9.5 inch upper with a 10.5 inch 5.56 barrel. Now down over here, we have a Geisley automatic supercharging handle and a B5 SOP mod stock, BCM grip, BCM trigger, and internal parts. And also one other cool thing, you can't really tell by looking, but this is a Centurion Arms V2 enhanced bolt. That's warranted for life against bolt breakage. It's a upgraded bolt that's extremely durable, but there's only one way to find out. Also, here in the buffer tube, we've got the Geisley Automatics H3 buffer with the Super 42 buffer spring, which helps to reduce the cyclic rate of the gun, to like slow it down a little bit so the gun's not beating itself up so hard with the added back pressure of the can. But yeah, that's kind of it in a nutshell. All right, man, let it rip.
All right. Thank you, sir. It's with all these gears and can. It's a bit heavier
Slide
than
the bottom, just make sure.
yeah, a bit heavier than the ARs you brought out.
Yeah, it's all the goodies, so it's gonna be a little chunky.
But we'll find out. Nice.
Pretty sweet, right?
Yeah, this is really nice.
That's like no gas, right?
Not
It's
at
way
all.
better than that Surefire.
Yeah, and then it's just flat.
It's a FN lower, so not an LMT lower, but an FN lower that I assembled. Need that for the video, but yeah, good stuff, right?
Yeah, I love it.
You want to check your group?
Oh, sure. 자, 이번에는 21발 산창 2개를 장정 완료했고요. 신중하게 두 탄창 모두 다 써볼 겁니다. 아까도 말했다시피 하고 이 상태에서 바로 슬라이드 앞으로 밀면 장전이 된 상태예요. 한 발 쐈으니까 다시 슬라이드 락이 됐고 장전을 해준 다음에 발사 준비 완료. 이렇게 42발을 쏴봤습니다.
This rifle's a full LMT rifle. Up here at the front, we've got a Surefire RC2 suppressor mounted on a B&T Rotex flash hider. This is a 16-inch barrel with a mid-length gas system. Again, this is a LMT gun with the LMT MRP monolithic upper receiver, meaning that the whole upper receiver and handguard is one solid piece of aluminum. The barrel slides in and mounts with these two screws right here. So there's basically no way for you to be able to flex that handguard. There's no way for you to put any kind of pressure on the barrel to like shift the point of impact of the gun while you're shooting. Here we've got an Aimpoint Comp M4 on a Scalar Works 1.93 inch mount. We got an HRF Concepts magwell, helps a little bit, but yeah, this whole gun is complete from LMT. That's about it. There is also a Geisley SSAE trigger in here, so it's got a pretty good trigger. Got the Geisley G right there, but yeah, that's about it. I load up a mag and you can get ready to shoot. All right, dude, let it rip.
Sir.
Yeah, I had a double feed.
Did I?
No, it wasn't you. It's the gun. See, double feed.
Oh.
Yeah. No, it's all good.
To
You're going
fix
through it.
that, we'll put it on safe.
No, when it's locked up like that, you can't really actuate the safety. We gotta, let me show you. We gotta drop the magazine, hold the bolt release, lock the bolt to the rear.
Oh.
Yeah, that's not you, dude. It's the gun. It just doesn't like this ammo. Like I said, too picky.
Yeah.
It's looking pretty good, dude.